Morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is chapter number 3, playing with numbers. Okay, what is the chapter? Playing with numbers. In this chapter we are going to learn prime numbers and the composite numbers. What is prime number? The prime number is nothing but the numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself. This is the definition of prime number. Okay, the numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself. Okay, if we multiply the number, we only got the factors 1 and the number itself. That is known as prime numbers. If we take the composite numbers, numbers having more than 2 factors, that is known as composite numbers. It is nothing but 1 and itself. Okay, 1 and the itself. If we take a number, we can multiply with, for example, if we take a number 2, we can only multiply with 1 into 2, 2 into 1. So only 2 factors are there, 1 and 2, isn't it? We can't do any other steps. So 1, 2. These are the 2 factors for the number 2. But in composite, more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors, that is known as composite numbers. For example, 4. If we take a number 4, we can multiply with 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Then 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So we got 3 numbers. This is known as prime numbers and the composite numbers. This is the differentiation. Okay. Just you have to know this. Okay. What is prime number and what is composite number. Then next we are going to learn finding factors. Finding factors. Okay. First I have to find the factors of 12. I am taking the number 12. So I have to find the factors. So I am writing the possible numbers. So in 1 I can write 1 into 12. Answer is 12. Then if I take the number 2, can I multiply with any other number to get the answer 12? Yes, 6. So 2 into 6. 6 2s are 12 or 2 6 are 12. Then if I take number 3, we can say the number multiplication table of 3. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So 2 3 into 4. Then 4 table. 4 into 3. 5 table. No. 6. Yes, 6 into 2. If we take number 7, no. 8, 9, 10, 11, no. Then the last possible number is 12 into 1. Okay, so the factors of 12 are, these are the factors. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are known as factors of the number 12. Okay, so we have to just write factors of 12 equal to, okay, factors of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, so these are the factors of the number 12. This is how we have to find the factors. Okay, this is the method to find the factors of a number. Okay, next I am taking the number 8. Okay, just I am taking the number 8. What are the possibles? Can anyone say? Okay, first one is 1 into 8. Okay, if we take a number 2, yes, 4. Okay, then if we take a number 3, can we get the answer? No. then 4 into 2, then 2 into 4. The next number is 4 into 2. Next number it will be 8 into 1. Okay, there is no other middle values because 5 table is not having 8, 6 is not having 8, 7 table not having 8. So next number is 8 into 1. So factors. What are the factors? Factors are 1, 2, 4, 8. So these are the factors of number 8. Okay. Is it clear all of you? First one is the prime number and composite number. Prime number is nothing but prime number is the factor that is 1 and itself. If a composite number, it is more than 2 factors. That is known as composite numbers. Then we saw the factors, how to find the factors of the given number. These are the simple problems that we learned today. Okay. Now, next we are going to learn what are the prime numbers and composite numbers that we know. Differentiation of prime numbers. Prime numbers are nothing but 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. These are the prime numbers. Okay. 1 is not a prime number nor composite number. Okay. So, we can just take 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. These are the prime numbers. Okay. Prime numbers. Then composite numbers. Middle of the value 2, 3, then 4. 5 is having 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11 is having, so 12, like that the composite number will come. Okay. If we check 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, so more than 2 factors. Then 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. So 4 factors are there. So more than 2. If we take 8, 1 table, 2 table, 4 table, 8 table, like that 4 factors. If we take 9, 1 into 9, 3 into 3, 9 into 1. So 1, 3, 9. So 3 factors are there. So this is known as composite numbers. But if we take number 2, only 1 into 2 and 2 into 1. 2 are same numbers. Then 3, 1 into 3, 3 into 1. 5, 1 into 5, 5 into 1. Like that the prime numbers will come and composite numbers. These are the two differentiations of, these are the differentiation of these two numbers. What are the numbers? Prime numbers and the composite numbers. Okay. Have you all got it? Is there any doubt in this? Okay. Next one. Next we are going to learn the divisibility. Okay. What is divisibility? Divisibility of a number. Okay. Divisibility of a number. The next topic. Divisibility of number. Divisibility of number. Okay. Then first I am taking the number 10. So divisible of 10. How we can divide? Okay. What are the numbers? 20. 20 is divisible by 10. Divisibility of 10. That is whatever the number. If you are having a number with 0, it can divide by 10. If you are having number 20, we can divisible by 10. Okay. If you are having number 30, then 10, 3, 0. Okay. So these are the divisibility. If a number has 0 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 10. Okay, if your number have 0 in ones place, it can be divisible by 10. Okay, a number which has either 0 or 5. Okay, in ones place, if 0 is present, it can be divisible by 10. If you are having 0 and 5. Okay, listen carefully. A number which has either 0 or 5 in its ones place, it is divisible by 5. Okay, if as number 0 and 5 is having in the ones place. So, if I am taking a number 10, it can be divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10. If I am taking the number 15, I am dividing with 5. 5 3s are 15. Okay, so it is divisible. So, in ones place, if we are having 0 and 5, 0 or 5. If you are having these two numbers in the ones place, it can be divisible by 5. Okay, if you are having a ones place, this is also a divisible of 10. Okay, because 0 is present. But it is not a divisibility of 10. It cannot divide with the number 10, isn't it? So, the number 5, if having in the ones place, it can be divided by 5. Okay, so divisibility of 5. So, divisibility of 10, if a number has 0 in ones place, then it is divisible by 10. If a number which has either 0 or 5 in the ones place, it is divisible by 5. These 2 points that you have to keep in your mind. Okay. The next one. If you are having a divisibility of 2, a number is divisible by 2. It has any of the digits, that is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in ones place. If you are having a numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8 and also 0. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the multiplication tables of 2, isn't it? 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, etc. So, these are the single digit numbers of multiplication table of 2. Okay. So, these numbers can be divided by 2. Okay. So, first I am taking the number 2. If you are having a 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 in ones place. So, I am taking number 12. So, I am writing the number 2. Divisibility by 2. That we have to find. So, I am writing the number 2. Okay. So, 2. How we can get the answer? Yes, 6. So, 6 2s are 12. So, 12 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Then I am taking the 4 in ones place. So, 4, 2. Okay. So, I am going to try. I can divide or not. Okay. So, 2. How I can get number 24? So, 12 into 2 is equal to 24. So, 12, 24. So, 0. It is divisible. If we got the remainder 0, it can be divisible. Okay. Next, 6. 6 in ones place. I am taking the number 3. Then, 2. 1 2s are 2. Then remaining 1. Then 8. 8 2s are 16. Okay. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 6. 8 2s are 16. 0. So I got the number 0 as a remainder. Isn't it? I am explaining once again. If I am having these numbers, it is a divisibility by 2. So I am taking the number 36. 2. 2. I have to split these two numbers. You all know how to divide the numbers. So, I am writing, taking the first number 3. So, 1 2s are 2. Okay. 1 2s are 2. Subtracting these two numbers. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Then, I am writing 6 in down. Okay. So, 16. 8 2s are 16. So, 8, 16, 0. If you got the remainder 0, it is divisible by 2. Okay. So, this is the unit place ones. Then, I am taking 8. So, 4. 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Then, I am writing the 8 down. Then, 2. I have to multiply. So, I can multiply 2 with 4. So, 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 0. So, I got the remainder 0. So, it is divisible by 2. Okay. So, these are the divisibilities. If I am taking divisibility of 10. Okay. If I am taking divisibility of 10, the ones place, that is 0 only. Okay, this is the place value. Okay, so 0. If I am taking the number 5, ones place, we can have 0, 5. Then 20. Okay, sorry, 2. What are the numbers? What are the numbers that we can have in the ones place? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So, these are the methods to find the divisibility. Okay. So, these 3 points that you have to keep in your mind to find the divisibility of a number easily. Okay. So, first I taught the numbers, prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers is nothing but it can be multiplied with number 1 and then by itself. Okay. Then composite numbers, that is more than 2 factors. If you are having more than 2 factors, it is known as composite numbers. Okay. Then we saw how to find the factors of the given number. How we have to find? First we have to write the possible multiplications of the given number. Then we have to write the factors. Okay. Then we learned the divisibility. We learned today more topics, but these topics are very simple topics in this chapter. So that I am taking these topics in one class. Okay. So divisibility, we have to learn only these 3. Okay. Easily we can find. If we are having a unit place 0, that is in ones place. Unit place is 1, that is 0. If we take a number 0, then it is divisible by 10 as well as 5, because 0 is in 5, and as well as 2, because 0 is the common factor, common number of these 3 numbers, 10, 5 and 2. Then if you are having a 5 in ones place, we can divide with the number 5. If you are having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, we can divisible by 2. So, these are the divisibility numbers. Okay. So, these are the divisible. So, these you have to keep in your mind. Okay. These 3 topics are very simple topics. We can learn more in the next class about this. Okay. Thank you.